Welcome back, everyone. So far, we've looked at implementing the joystick or joysticks in your case. We've looked at implementing a check that can be run off of begin play to see what platform you're using. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate that working in real time as of now because I'm on the Windows platform and that check will not trigger until I launch the game off an Android platform. So now we are going to go on to implement the basic button that we would press on our mobile game to trigger an action, in this case being the attack. With that being said, let's get started. So you're going to want to right click, user interface, widget blueprint. You're going to pick the common user widget and you're going to name it WB mobile button. We are then going to search for button. So we don't want the button to fit the whole thing. So we are going to do a canvas panel because there may be other things that you want to add to your mobile UI. And then we're going to get our button again. We're going to drag it in. I'm going to make it a bit bigger and I'm going to put it towards the bottom right. So I've got the cooldown on the left hand side, bottom right there. For the button, so for the image, I'm going to look for button, and as you can see, I have some already included. These were all free off of itch.io. I believe I may have paid for a couple, but there are plenty of buttons. So even if it isn't your traditional sort of like Xbox one, you can still, use it. So I'm just going to have this button. I'm going to name it BTN attack is variable is checked, and then for normal that's what it's going to look like. For hovered, I'm going to use the same image, so paste, and I'm going to make it a bit of a brighter hue for when it's hovered, and then for pressed I am going to use that. So again, 3 different images. The first one and the second are the same but with different tints, and then the third one. So there'll be 3 different visual indications as to whether the button is pressed. Now that we've done that, let's go on to the next part, which will be implementing the code that allows us to press the button.